Hunting birds, part 2.
That 360 in the camera. You got in there.
You do. Where's the tree?
Oof, that one.
Alright.
I was like, you hear that? Pretty scared.
Oh, shoot. It's over here. Why did you have to?
Oh, yes, it's right there.
Where?
Oh, Hank's here. I'm climbing the tree.
Where is it?
Right there.
Huh?
It's close.
Where?
I forgot, but...
Oh, it's right. Let me shoot it. Let me shoot it.
Where is it?
Yo, hold the camera.
No, tell me where it is.
It's right there.
Where?
Let me shoot it.
No, I got it.
Here, let me shoot it.
Oh, I found it first.
Shoot him. Got him. Oh. Is he down?
No, he's still flying.
Come on, come on. Where? Let me snipe him. Where is he? Where? Don't shake it. What was that? Here, hold this. Oh,
I saw him? Yes, I saw him.
Come on, let's go.
But that went ham what I did. I was like, snipe.
Alright, there's a BB in the shoulder.
Yep, that's the one I shot. Cause that went ham what I did. You gotta admit, that was beast too. I bet that bird's not gonna be coming back for a while. Cause I shot it. I was about to get it in his head. Hey. Push it back. Oh, there it is. Stupid bird. But that went ham. I was like, oh, dude, I know how to stay steady. Huh? I know how to stay steady. Hold the camera. Look, hold the camera. Look, this is what you gotta do.
Oh.
Nyla? Like off of Black Ops, like the snipers.
Alright, here, let's find that bird.
Where is it?
Shadow.
I know, right? Where is it? Where?
It's right there. It's right there.
Where?
Right there.
I don't see
Right
it.
there. You see that?
Oh yeah. Get
Wait.
that mug.
Where is it?
Get it on the table. Get on the table.